This is the Daytona Beach Real Estate Report for September 2008, brought to you by Daytona Beach Real Estate Broker Lynn Byrne. For more market information and to search all of the properties in Daytona Beach, visit www.lynnbyrne.com. That's LYNNBYRNE.com. You can also call Lynn at any time at 386-566-7503. Sales in September were well below the levels that we've seen from April through August. A drop from August of 16% from 277 condos and houses sold to 233 in September. The graph shows the numbers very clearly. We can see from the chart that the last month in September we dropped to the levels that we were seeing in February and March. We believe the drop in sales is a combination of two things. First is seasonal sales drop after the summer, and second, all the bad news in the media, newspapers, radio, and television certainly have spooked a lot of people. Even with the drop in sales, the trend for the year held, with most of the sales coming in the under $200,000 price range at 54%, and 85% of sales falling in the range under $300,000. Sales above $300,000 are just not very good and have not been very good for the entire year. The market is very difficult at this point, and we don't see that changing until the general market changes. Short sales are a significant component of the sales that we're seeing right now. Unfortunately, it's difficult capturing the level of these sales because many of them are not being listed and run through the MLS. However, this is where the opportunity is. In fact, the short sales are driving prices down tremendously from what we might consider market. If you are selling a home that is not in financial distress, the price of your home is being set by those that are. What will happen with the $700 billion plus bailout passed by Congress and signed by the President a couple weeks ago is really completely unknown at this point. The credit markets are in tremendous disarray, and the money for mortgages is available in very short supply. Until that money is available, it's going to be very difficult for the sales levels to increase significantly. So we expect a bit of a roller coaster over the next 3 to 6 months because of the uncertainty that are in the markets. I believe everything will be sorted out by then, and we'll know what the market looks like going forward for the next couple of years. So the important points for this month are that sales dropped below 250 units for the first time since April. Sales are much stronger below 200,000. Sales between 200 to 300,000 were back up over the previous month, so that was probably just a bit of an anomaly. Sales above 300,000 are less than 15% of the market and just are not moving at this point. The effects of the bailout or rescue bill are still to be seen. They're unknown at this point, and there are still tremendous short sale opportunities out there, and unless something changes from a regulatory perspective, those deals should be out there for some time. The question is, will prices begin to rise at some point, making them still very attractive but less of a longer term investment? This has been the September 2008 Daytona Beach Real Estate Market Report, brought to you by Lynn Byrne, Daytona Beach Realtor. Please go to www.lynnbyrne.com, LYNNBYRNE, for more information on markets. We publish a weekly market report, and to search all homes in Daytona Beach. Thanks for watching and listening.